What's up guys? In this video, I will going to teach you the step-by-step on how to divide fraction. So without further ado, let's do this. So we have here the first given dividing fraction. We have 3 over 10 divided by 5 over 15. So what are the steps on how to divide fraction? First, you need to copy the first given fraction. Here we have 3 over 10. Next steps is you will change this operation from division to multiplication. What's next is you will get the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 5 over 15. And if we say reciprocals, meaning the numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. In simple words, you will flip the fraction and that is 15 over 5. So the next steps, we will proceed to the multiplication rule. So in this case, we can do a normal multiplication. We have 3 times 15 is equals to 45. And 10 times 5 is equals to 50. As you can see, we can still simplify 45 over 50 by dividing your numerator and denominator by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is equals to 9. And 50 divided by 5 is equals to 10. And this is the quotient of the two first given fraction. Since we already know the steps on how to divide fraction, now let's proceed to another example. So we have 7 over 3 divided by 10 over 8. Just like the first given example, the things we need to do is first, we need to copy the first given fraction, which is 7 over 3. Then change this operation from division to multiplication. And then we need to flip the second fraction, which is 10 divided by 8. The numerator will become the denominator, and the denominator will become the numerator. So we have 8 over 10. Then proceed to multiplication rule or the normal multiplication. We have 7 times 8 is equals to 56. And then 3 times 10, we have 30. So as you can see, we can still simplify 56 over 30 by dividing the numerator and denominator by 2. So 56 divided by 2 is 28. And then 30 divided by 2 is 15. Since the result is 28 over 15 and the numerator is greater than the denominator, so we can still simplify it. So we need to divide 28 divided by 15. So 1, 15, 13. So the answer will mix number. So 1 all over the remainder will be the numerator, 13 and 15. So this is the final answer. In order to you to have more knowledge about this topic, I will give you more examples. So 5 over 6 divided by 8 over 2. So since our second fraction is divisible by 2, so we need to divide it. So we have 4. And then, since this is a fraction, assuming that there is a 1 here. So, apply the steps on dividing fraction. We need to copy the first given fraction, which is 5/6. Then, change this operation from division to multiplication. And then, we need to flip the second fraction, which is 4/1. It will become 1/4. And then, we need to proceed the normal multiplication. So, 5 times 1 is equals 5. And then, 6 times 4 is equals 24. So, this is our final answer. 5/24. So, that's the process on how to divide fraction. Then, I have here another example. So, try this one